household items chimna gi chache sitting room dekhang door go window gochu wall clock chutse khorlo electricity lok me television jangthong sofa bilthi kitchen items thapsana cheni chache stove thap gas cylinder jazi pot kalajam pressure cooker chojam spoon thum dustpan chalip wooden ball tapa cup pop dustbin chane he scoop zaru knife kichu vegetable chese rice chum refrigerator khedom rice cooker toza bedroom items nekhang gi chache bed nelthi mattress neldin yana gibdin pillow ha blanket melcha wardrobe godom chair kanti table dithi laptop altar or shrine room chesham statue ku symbol rim incense pe rattle drum tanti beat chem Richard Bell and Dorji Dilbuda Dorji drum nga trumpet thun pitcher pumpa offering ball chebiti prayer book thingi pecha toilet and bathroom items chapsam da thikhang toilet pot chapdong mirror melong basin sangjo soap langlep shampoo toothbrush and toothpaste so too the somen washing machine chushe tilche